Hello, my people. I'm still your girl, GT Estate and Properties, and today I'm live at Okun Ajah along Ogombo Road of Ibrahim Adesanya. And today I want to show you, a property that I know that when you invest in, you will not regret, making that decision. I know a lot of us must have missed out in getting property within the Lagos Lekki Axis, but here comes another opportunity where you can also, get yourself property that has a very high return on investment in the next 2 to 3 years and also in the next 10 to 20 years. Now you can see what is happening at Oniru, you can see what is happening at other part of Lagos State where lands now are being sold for 500 million, 1.2 billion, and all of that. It's also going to happen here. And that is why I'm here to also show you an investment where when you invest in, you'll be glad that you did. All right. And this is one of the highest selling area or location in Lagos State right now, where when you invest in a property, you'll be able to get value for your money. Now right here I want to show you, take you around to see what I want to show you. Now you can see in this house, you can see now at my back here, this is Lagos State housing scheme, right? This is Lagos State housing scheme. That's to show you that okay, this place is fast developing and is also in a developed houses. Okay, this is Lagos State housing scheme. And also you can see the road. This road is being worked on, and the construction is also carried out by Lagos State government. All right. So right now, okay, here is a deal. Now I want to take you, okay, to see the property that I want to show you, so that you know that you are making the right decision. Now, like I told you, you can see this is still Lagos State housing scheme, and let me take you to where the property that I want to show you is. Okay. All right, guys. Now this is the property that I want to show you. Right? You can see construction is actually going on here. Right? So now this is the property. Just want to show you so that you see that a lot of things are happening here. So you can see that we're putting everything right. So this is the property, and this property has, like I said, it has government approved CFO, right? So here is just selling for 400 square meter. Now, for you to get access to get a property here, just call the number on the screen, and I'll bring you here, for you to do your inspection, and you also get the papers, for your perusal, where you can also go and search, to know that you are actually doing the right thing and also you are actually in the right place. Now, thank you and God bless you. See you and God bless you. Right, so it's crazy. So don't miss out. Just give me a call and you get it done.